Hello everyone, my name is GDN Tutor from BS Abi 4B. Today, I am excited to show you why failure is your greatest teacher. Well, failure is a word that most of us trying to avoid. We connect it with disappointment, embarrassment, or the feeling that we are not enough. But today, I want to offer a different way of seeing failure. I want to show you that failure is not something to fear, but something to learn from. Because the truth is simple. Failure is not the opposite of success, but failure is a part of success. Every person who has achieved something great has failed many times, like athletes, inventors, leaders, artists, or even ordinary people. They all have stories of mistakes, setbacks, and moments when they almost give up. Their journeys were not straight lines. They were full of ups and downs, and each failure taught them something valuable. The first lesson failure teaches us is growth. When we fail, we learn. Failure is forces us to reflect, to ask ourselves what went wrong, and to find ways to improve. It pushes us to look deeper into our actions and choices. Success might make us feel good, but failure is what helps us grow. It sharpens our skills, strengthens our minds, and makes us better when we were before. The second lesson is resilience. If everything came easily, we would never become strong. True strength comes from facing challenges and rising after falling. Failure teaches us how to keep going when even things are difficult. It builds our patience, courage, and determination. Every time we get back up, we prove to ourselves that we are capable of more than we thought. The third lesson is clarify. Sometimes failure is not rejection, it's a redirection. It guides us away from something that isn't meant for us and lead us towards something better. Failure helps us discover what truly matters. It shows us our real passions, values, and goals. Many people only find their true purpose after something didn't work out the way they planned. The fourth lesson is creativity. When one path doesn't work, we look for another. Failure pushes us to think differently, to explore new ideas, and to try new strategies. Some of the greatest breakdown in history happen because someone's first plan is failed. Failure forces us to look beyond the usual answer and discover new opportunities. The fifth lesson is that failure makes success meaningful. Imagine achieving something without effort or struggle. It wouldn't feel as rewarding success because sweeter when we know the obstacle we overcome to reach it. The victories that matter most are the ones that come after mistakes, doubts, and challenges. Failure gives success its depth and value. But perhaps the most important lesson is this. Failure teaches us to rise. Rising after failure is not easy, can be a painful and discouraging. But every time we rise, we become stronger, wiser, and more confident. We learn that falling down does not define us. What defines us is our ability to stand up again. So the next time you fail, whether it's at school or in your goals or something personal, remember this. Failure does not mean you are weak, but failure means you are trying. It means you are growing, learning, and becoming better. Failure is not a reason to stop. It is a reason to continue. Failure is your teacher. It teaches you the lesson that success cannot. It shapes your character, builds your strength, and prepares you for the future. Without failure, there is no real growth. Without failure, there is no resilience. Or without failure, success would have no meaning. So don't fear failure. Fear never trying. Fear holding back your potential because you were afraid to make a mistake. Every great story includes moments of failure, and your story will too. But if you keep going, keep learning, and keep rising, you will discover that failure was not there to stop you. It was there to prepare you. And that is why failure is your greatest teacher. That's all, and thank you so much.